Welcome back to other Matthew's fishing adventure. Today I'm fishing this lovely stream in the background here. Like you can see, there's some nice fish already surfacing just over in that hole there. Bloody beautiful out here. Can't complain. Bit of rain has came through earlier, but it was a nice ride in. So we're going to be using lures and baits today and see what we can do. So stay tuned for an awesome video to come up. Okay guys, the first lure I'm going to be using is one of my sponsors' hard bodies. I'm going to be trying it in the brown trout pattern. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully we can get a couple on here. So it should be a good day out on the water here. So there's been already a fair few fish surfacing in this pool that I'm about to fish. So I'm gonna cast along here and see if we can get him to pick it up. And then if the lures are quiet guys, I'm gonna change up to probably a soft plastic. So it should be alright. So let's get into it guys. Let me grab my sun. Got me polarizers guys, so I can polarize all these fish. It's pretty so it's meant to be nice and warm today, meant to be. So I'm just gonna move up here a touch, and I'm just gonna see if we can either sneak up on this water hole here. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just seeing if I can spot any fish in the waters here. So I'm gonna cast into this hole first. Beautiful cast. Gonna see if we can temper trout. That lure looking nice, swimming nice. So we're just gonna cast it around and hopefully we can get a hold on a nice fish. Oh, I just got smacked guys. So that's a good sign. So I'm just fishing this little hole here. Gonna see if we can get a trout or something to come out and play. It's a pretty nice waterway guys, like something like this is like good fishing in here. There's a mix of species in here from trout into, you know, bass, and you can get your carp out of here too. But most times of the year you'll catch a lot of trout. Oh, just had a fish fall in it. Yep, a little trout behind it. There was a little trout just behind it. I'm gonna see if we can get into either. Because I just had a fish following it to my feet, then that was pretty cool to see. Still sitting on it. Betcha. He got me on a snag! Okay guys, I'm going to be moving spots from where I'm currently am here on this beautiful stream here. I'm going to move to the other river and go chase some bass and hopefully see how we go over there. So I'm going to try these spots again over the next week or so and hopefully we can get on to a fair few. So I'll see you at the second spot. Okay guys, I have made it to spot 2. I'm currently fishing a big river here, like you can see in the background. I'm using some worms for the attack and hopefully we can get a couple. Let's see how we go. Getting a bite guys, getting a bite, first bite, and I got him. Got him. Got him. What do I got? Oh, is that a bat? Oh, it's a redfin. Woohoo! Nice little reddy. Not bad at all. Nice little bass. Just getting a bite guys. See if I can hook him. Open. Got him. Yep. Got him. Oh no. Got a nice one guys, got a nice one on. I've got it tangled right now. I'm gonna have to untangle the top bit. Yep, he's running. Oh! Got a little eel. Got a nice little eel. Eely. Nice. Okay guys, that concludes this episode. Hope you enjoyed the session. Did 2 spots in a fair few hours I put in. Just letting the bait soak for the last 10 minutes before I leave. And I'm going to pack up and head home. Can't complain of the success I have had today. Plenty of fish, plenty of bites, just landed the 3. But a lot of fish are still, you know, coming around, so it's pretty good. And I'm almost out of bait, so that's even better. Just can't complain about the like outdoors here. Like, we've got to love it. Like, day turned from being rainy to beautiful afternoon. And what's better is to hang down on a waterway like this. So if you guys did want to keep updated on this channel, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Till then guys, I'll see you on the next adventure.